Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays. And today I thought I would share with you from the $1 Million Handshake, the BLAST method. So one of my favorite things that I've used, I think since I was at least 22, was really when it came to customer service, believing my customers. Because I think the most important thing is, at any particular time, the person thinks right then and there that they're right. So I used to work in the bank, and sometimes people would come in with bank fees and different problems that hadn't worked. And whether they did know about it, or were told, or were given the information or not, at that particular time, it's really important to believe the customer with anything that they are saying. So the method is believe. Believe them right here and now. Don't say, but I told you yesterday. Just believe them. Listen. Actively listen to what they're saying, and then of course question so that you can build that story so that you have a good understanding. Then take action, because once you've gathered this information, you're able to take action, satisfy the client's needs, and then thank them. It's so important when someone comes to you that we really thank them for taking that time, you know, whether they're upset or whether they're happy, but to tell us their story so that we can actually produce 1 million smiles with our clients. So today was all about the BLAST method, where we actually believe our customers, listen to them, take action, satisfy their needs, and thank them. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great week. Make a difference. Bye.